I think I want this golden apple, and I have to pay a redstone, and it should be, yeah. Oh yeah, I have the golden apple now. Whoa, look at this redstone vending machine. Hey guys, WitherSkelybobs here, and look at this vending machine. And today I'm gonna do, oh wait, I'm so sorry guys, the upload is freaking late, so late, because I need to, yesterday never mind. And this is the vending machine, and I'll show you how to build that. It's gonna looks like this, and this one was failed, and that one was failed too. It's gonna look like this, and so we're gonna build it right now. And first thing first, you need to place all of this, place an item frame like this, and then you need to dig down over here. I think, am I right? Let's just see. Yeah, over here, over there, and then dig down more, dig down 3 blocks, and we need to place it just over here, not like that. We need to place it just over here, and then place a hopper, two hopper, and then dig down more. Not dig down, I think. Just follow the instruction. Yeah. And then break these dots. Place a block over here and over here. And what you need to do is place a redstone comparator over here, and place a repeater over here, and place a redstone dust over here. And we need to place a block in here. And place a block over here, place a redstone torch over here, and place a repeater over here, and a redstone dust in here. So that's what we need to do. And now we need to place a redstone dust over here, and then go back to here. And what we need to do is do this, place a blocks like this, yeah, and then place the comparator like this. Okay, and now what we need to do is place blocks, place 8 blocks. Oh my god, I can't even speak today because yeah, I always can't speak. Get out of here, pig. And you need to place like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks like that. And you need to place the redstone all the way over here, and then you need to place the redstone repeater like this, and then yeah, you need to do that, and then place a block in here, and then place another redstone over here, redstone dust, and place another block over here, I think, and place another repeater like this. Okay, and what we need to do now is oh yeah, we need to place redstone torches over here, and then place a block in the redstone torch like that. And then now oh yeah, um I can't even speak. Can't speak. I always can't speak. And we need a dropper placed upside down like this. I mean facing up, and place another dropper facing this way, and then we need to place a hopper all the way to this dropper, all the way, and to go down and place another hopper. And then when you're done with that, you need to place a block in this repeater and place another and place another block in this redstone dust, and you need to place more redstone dust over here. And then okay, I think just that, and I don't know what this block's doing. I completely forgot. Whoops, what have I done? And place a redstone torch over here, place a block like this, and then place another block over here, and place the redstone dust like this. So now I think we're done with this thing. Okay guys, now we're done with this thing. I'm just close this area, and you need to place the selector like this. And maybe in the first one you can place a redstone, and if you want redstone, yeah, you can choose the selector, and maybe the second one will be compressor, and this is the first one. If you place you want redstone at the first one, and you go to the first dropper and place a redstone in the first dropper, and place the second one comparator in the second one, because in the second one you want a comparator. Maybe, yeah, it's just, maybe you can place anything. You can place anything what you want. Maybe you want to place food or armor, tools, anything you want. Yeah, in the first bar you want redstone, and okay. What you need to do is throw something to this hopper, and then it should be working, and you got your redstone now. Yeah, it's the payment system, and you want a comparator, you can throw anything you want to pay, and you will got your comparator. Just wait. Right, you got your comparator, and this is it, the vending machine. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more awesome video by me again. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy this video. WitherSkelybobs here, say goodbye. See you in the next video, and the force will be with you always.